Hey, what is up you guys? Yesterday I traded the news successfully, and in this video I wanted to backtest this news trading strategy over the course of 2023. And just so this video isn't too long, I only used the non-farm news days, but yesterday's trade resulted me in a 2.5% gain. I was actually curious if this actually works because I never had backtested it before. So here's a little clip from yesterday before entering into the news so you understand what the strategy is. We got something coming up. We got news coming up, and that is in 7 minutes, about 7 minutes from now. Now this could all blow up in my face, but my new strategy is if it pumps throughout the whole day before the news just keeps pumping in one direction, I'm pretty sure that the news will go the opposite direction. It's happened so many times before. Non-farm news event coming out at 8:30 on January 6th of 2023. So before that, the market was dumping, moving in one direction. After the news, pumping into the other direction, right? Let's move on to February. Ooh, pretty huge moves actually already in the Asian session. And wow, huge moves actually during the London. All right, and we're getting closer to the news event. So it was at 8:30 p.m., right? And right now we're at 7. So in 1.5 hours, the news event is gonna happen. Now, from the looks of it, it's been pumping throughout the whole day. And I'll just mark the news event at 8:30 right here. So according to the strategy, it should go downwards because it's pumping throughout the whole day. Let's see what happens. Okay, here it goes. It's moving up. Now the news event is, oh! All right, I just realized that this yellow thing is a bit distracting. We know that this candle was the news, but wow. So look, it was pumping throughout the whole day. And then when the news came, it moved the other direction. That is exactly the strategies. There was another one on April 7th of 2023, but sadly, it didn't meet our criteria because it was moving sideways before the news. So the strategy only works if it's pumping in one direction throughout the whole day, so down or up, and it's gonna reverse when the news comes. We have another one on the 5th of May. So this one didn't have a one direction. It kind of went up, then down, and then dump. But I probably would have taken this one. So this one would have ended in a loss actually. So we took our first loss in. But thankfully we have another one to look at 2nd of June, 7:30 p.m. again. So I marked it down and let's see what happens. Before this, it had a huge, massive upwards movement already. Since the day before, it was already going upwards. So this is a strong move upwards, and I think, you know, if the NFP comes, it should reverse to the other side according to our theory. So let's see what happens, guys. And here's the news. All right, I'm gonna pause real quick. So here again, right on the money. Let's just remove this real quick and see what happens after. So it keeps on going actually. Wow, absolutely insane. So as you guys can see, if it's a strong move up, the news comes here, boom, just goes down. I've been watching the charts all year. I've been watching these news events. I've had bots that were, you know, putting in shorts, and then the news comes and boom, all of them went into profit. So I've been watching this, guys. Let's keep going. July 7, 2023. I got it marked down. Let's have a look. So before the news, kind of moving sideways, guys. Can't predict this one. So this one is invalid. All right, we got another one on August 4, 2023. Let's see what happens. If we get this kind of strong move up, it looks like a strong no. Well, in this case, I wouldn't really take this one. It wasn't like really dumping throughout the whole day, but obviously before the news it did go down and then huge spike up. But this one is a little bit more risky. It was sort of moving more sideways than anything else. All right, 1st of September, here we go. Let's see what happened here. So before the news, oof, it's again moving sideways, guys. This one was invalid again. All right, October 6th, I'm pretty hopeful with this one because it had a strong move up. So I think it should go down actually with the news. Oh, yeah, it's gonna go down. Oh, yes. Oh, but after that, a huge spike up as well. But the important part is that it went down with the news. You know, if there's a strong move, guys, highly likely that when the news comes, boom. So we got another win. All right, November the 3rd, let's try this one. And it looks like a strong move up already. So it's pretty much, if the trend continues, it's highly likely that it will drop when the news comes. So it looks to be continuing. Let's see if and this one, guys, this one is a loss. It's actually a candle upwards instead of what we thought it was going to be. So that's a loss. This one on the 8th of December again was invalid because it was just moving sideways before the news. And the latest one, which was on 5th of January, I probably wouldn't have taken this one either. Even though it was pumping before the news, it wasn't really that huge move. So hey, we got 4 wins, 2 losses, and 6 times where we wouldn't have taken a trade at all. So in the end, it is a profitable strategy over 2023. What can I say? Always be careful with the news though. If it does move the other way, you will lose your account. You will blow your account for sure. The stop loss won't get hit and everything like that. But I thought it was interesting to show you guys. For me, it was interesting to test out this theory because I have been using it on and off. Sometimes I just feel like, okay, it's gonna drop, and it does. And I did a trade like that yesterday. This was obviously only one news event, so if you would like me to test more, let me know in the comments. And the next one coming up, guys, is on February 2. So if you see a strong trend before the news event, maybe you guys want to take it. Finally, exclusive only for this weekend, guys, is a 20% discount if you use my affiliate code for foretraders.com. You can get funded with a 100k account for as low as $287. They have the 2-step challenges and the 1-step challenges. You can customize them to make them a little bit more cheaper for yourself. If you want to make the challenge a bit harder, the profit split a bit lower, and that 20% discount really helps as well. So it's only available till Sunday, guys, and then it's finished. So take advantage of it, and thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you learned something today. See you in the next one.